You scroll on Instagram, you see actors and influencers with perfect bodies. You try their extreme diets, you try their crazy workouts, but you feel tired, you feel hungry, and you are seeing zero results. I'm tired of this and I'm here to help you. I'm going to show you how to stop making fitness so complicated. We will break down the biggest myths you see online every single day. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to focus on for real, lasting results. And the best part, it's much simpler than you think. You don't need to live in the gym or eat boring food. Alright, first thing, let's talk about protein. Social media makes it look like you must eat protein in everything: protein powder, protein bars, protein chapati, protein biscuits. I've even seen protein water. Look, I use some protein products too. But let's be honest, a lot of them taste like cardboard. Here's the simple truth: yes, protein is very important. Many of us, especially with our regular Indian diets, often don't get enough. Protein helps you feel full. It's a building block for your body. It helps you build muscle, and very importantly, it protects your muscle if you are trying to lose weight. But this does not mean everything you eat must be high protein. This is where the problem starts. If you start feeling scared or guilty about eating a snack, maybe it's a biscuit with your chai or a handful of chips, just because it has only 2 grams of protein, you are moving into an unhealthy mindset. Listen to me. It is okay. You are allowed to have a low protein snack. You want a samosa? Eat the samosa. Enjoy it. You are human. As long as most of your main meals, your breakfast, lunch, and dinner are balanced, you are doing fine. You need good protein, some healthy fats, fiber from vegetables, and good carbs. One snack is not going to ruin your progress. Please relax. This next one is the most annoying for me. This idea of always being optimal. You see people online say, oh, that exercise is bad. This new exercise is 7% better for building muscle. Come on, calm down. Fitness is science. Yes, I love science-based training, but we are taking it too far. First, not everyone's goal is to become a bodybuilder. Not everyone wants the maximum possible muscle. Think about it. Building muscle is just one part of the puzzle. I also need endurance. My cardio has to be good. I need power. I need to be able to run fast and jump high. And let's be honest, the average person like you and me with a job, with a family, we don't need the 1% extra result. We need exercises that are efficient, that get the job done. We need exercises that are safe so we don't get injured. And we need a plan that is doable, something we can actually stick to. This is the key to sustainable fitness. I love building muscle, but what's the use of that muscle if you can't use it? Can you run to catch the bus without losing your breath? Can you play with your kids without your back hurting? Can you lift your heavy luggage into the train? That is real world strength. So please stop chasing perfect and optimal. Focus on good and consistent. That is what wins the long run. Okay, let's talk about supplements. First, pre-workout. I'm sorry, but I think it's mostly hype. I understand why people like it. You drink it, you feel a josh, a big rush of energy. But social media makes it seem like if you don't take it, your workout will be useless. That is just not true. For most people, especially if you are just starting, you don't need to spend your money on this. Your workout performance, how good your workout feels, is decided by your fitness basics. What are these basics? Number one, how well did you sleep? If you slept for only 4 hours, no pre-workout in the world can fix that. You will still be tired. Number two, how well did you fuel your body? Did you eat properly before your workout? Your body needs energy. The best energy comes from carbs. Eat a banana, eat an apple, eat some poha or upma an hour or two before. This is your real pre-workout. Number three, how well are you recovering? Are you taking rest days? Master these basics first. Sleep well, eat well, rest well. Then, much later, if you feel you need an extra push on a very hard day, you can think about it. But please, don't believe the hype that you need it to get a good workout. Okay, we have talked about protein, optimal training, and pre-workout. Are you still with me? I know this is a lot of information, but what I'm about to tell you next is maybe the most important part of all. This is about your diet, and this is where everyone gets confused and gets stuck. So listen very carefully. The diet trap. This is my favorite. Keto, intermittent fasting, 1 meal a day, carnivore diet, the egg diet. Let me tell you a secret. All of these every single one. They are just different ways to do one thing: make you eat less food. That's all. It's not magic. The only way to lose weight is to be in a calorie deficit. That's a simple term. It just means you eat less energy or calories than your body burns. Why did you lose weight on keto? Because you cut out an entire food group: carbs. You cut out rice, roti, bread, biscuits. Of course, you ate less. Why did you lose weight on intermittent fasting? Because you skipped breakfast. You only ate for 8 hours. Of course, you ate less. My problem is not with these diets. The problem is when people treat them like magic, or when they say this is the only way. Let me ask you, do you need to do this extreme diets if you are a healthy person with no medical issues? No, you don't. You can create a calorie deficit without making your life miserable. How? It's simple. Focus on lean protein like dal, paneer, chicken, eggs, fish. Eat a lot of vegetables. They fill you up and have fiber. Be careful with liquid calories. The sugar in your juice, your cold drinks, even the extra oil and sauces in your food. These add up very fast. Eat fruit. They are fantastic. And manage your carbs. Carbs are energy. If you sit at a desk all day, you don't need as many carbs as someone who works in construction. It's just common sense. Think about this. If you have to cut out all your favorite foods, if you feel hungry and angry all the time, is that a diet you can follow for life? No. The moment you stop that magic diet, you will go right back to your old habits and you will gain all the weight back, maybe even more. This is why so many weight loss myths exist. The keyword, please remember this word, is sustainable. Can you do this for a long time? If the answer is no, you should not be doing it. Focus on balanced meals. This is one of the most important healthy habits you can build. Okay, next myth. You must work out every single day, or you must destroy your body in the gym every time. If you are new to fitness, please listen to me. Relax. You work out for stimulation, not for inhalation. You don't need to kill yourself. I used to believe this. I used to think if I wasn't extremely sore the next day, if I could walk properly after leg day, it wasn't a good workout. You know what that got me? It got me injured. Here's the most important secret of fitness. Most of your results, your muscle growth, your fat loss happen outside the gym. They happen when you rest. Think of it like this. Your workout is like making small tears in a cloth. Your rest, your sleep, and your food. That is the thread and needle that repairs the cloth, and it makes the cloth stronger than before. If you keep tearing the cloth every single day without giving it time to heal, what will happen? It will break. That is your body. If you go to the gym tired and sore from yesterday, your workout quality will be bad, your form will be bad, and your risk of injury will go way up. And because it feels so hard all the time, you will most likely quit. How many days do you need? For most people, 3. 3 good workouts a week, maybe 4. That's it. You can get fantastic results with 3 to 4 days. The most important thing is what you do in those 3-4 days. You have to challenge yourself. You have to push hard enough. But every workout does not have to be a world war. You are not training to be an Avenger. This is a key part of sustainable fitness. You do a good workout, you recover, and you come back stronger. That's the cycle. Now, before we finish, here's a bonus tip that will save you a lot of money and a lot of stress. First, money. Don't waste it on 20 different supplements. Those fat burners, metabolism boosters, most of them are useless. All you're doing is buying expensive new age churn. If you are just starting, you need to focus on your food. Get your nutrition from real food. Dal, roti, sabzi, paneer, eggs. That will give you 95% of your results. If you need supplements, the only ones with real science are protein powder. If you can't get enough from food, maybe creatine and a multivitamin if your doctor says you need one. That's it. Master the fitness basics first. Second, stress. Please stop trying to be perfect. Stop watching those get ready with me videos where everything looks perfect. Life is not perfect. There will be days you don't feel like working out. There will be days you feel sick. There will be days you look in the mirror and feel great. And there will be days you look in the mirror and feel, this is normal. You had a bad eating day. You ate at a wedding. So what? It's one day. You have the next meal. You have the next day. Just reset and get back on track. The difference between people who succeed and people who fail is this. Successful people don't quit when they aren't perfect. They just keep going. They had a bad day and the next day they are back. You missed a workout, fine. Do it tomorrow. You don't have 1 hour, do 30 minutes. Do 15 minutes, but do something. That is how you win. You just have to stay in the game. Alright, that was a lot. let me quickly recap the main points. First, protein is important, but don't be scared of low protein snack. Balance is key. Second, forget optimal. Focus on consistent and doable. Third, you don't need extreme diets. Just eat balanced meals and eat a little less if you want to lose weight. And fourth, you don't need to work out every day. Rest is where you get stronger. Just 3-4 days a week is perfect. The goal is progress, not perfection. That is a real secret to sustainable fitness. Now, I want to hear from you. Which fitness myth are you most tired of hearing? Tell me in the comments below. If this video helped you and made things simpler, please hit that like button. It really helps this video reach more people. And if you want more simple, no nonsense healthy habits and fitness tips like this, please subscribe to the channel. I post new videos every week. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay strong. I'll see you in the next video.